Let's plant coriander seeds from the kitchen today. First, I took some coriander seeds. Then I gently crushed them slightly so they can germinate better and grow faster. After that, I soaked the seeds in water. I've heard that soaking helps improve and speed up germination, so let's try this method. Now I filled a pot with soil. I had already prepared a good soil mix beforehand. I added the soaked seeds on top of the soil. Then covered them lightly with a thin layer of soil and watered them gently. Finally, I placed the pot in a shaded area. Now we wait for the results. Stay with me to see how they grow.